Alright, so you could have used that T60, which is what a lot of people are using. I think that everyone's got a 12 point though. 17 millimeter 12 point is exactly what fits over this, and that's it. And then you remove this pin after you apply a little bit of pressure. You'll see that this thing's tweaking one way, so you got to turn it the other way. If it's tweaking this, well, obviously it's tweaking this way, so that means you got to counterclockwise it, and then pull this pin out with your little fingers, and you'll be good to go. And the kit that seems to have worked for me was 90K38415 Ultra Power. My $1,600 Rock Auto order here. Yeah, there's no prices on here, so it doesn't make a difference. Oh, and I finally got my exhaust. Finally, it's going to be quieter.